Good day, good people. Welcome to Gufu Galut. Today we're gonna be cooking egg fried rice. Chef is chopping some onions. I'm gonna scoot off before the onions release a gas that irritates our eyes. Next, we chop the garlic. The side dish that we're gonna eat with the egg fried rice would be this stir-fried nai pai, and nai pai is similar to a miniature bok choy, which is something like milk cabbage. And to give the vegetables taste, we add oyster sauce. And the amount is added based on filling. It is important to add vegetables to your diet. So we just gotta fry this a little bit more and it is ready to be served. Let's start the process of cooking fried rice. We are frying the onions. This is the rice that's gonna be going in there. Oops, it should be egg first. Eggs are among the most nutritious foods on earth. Now I'm wondering, how is this much rice gonna fit in there? Okay, I think can. Egg fried rice is a delightful and versatile dish that you can easily make at home. You can make it vegetarian or add some meat. In one of my cooking videos, we added luncheon meat or spam. Check out the video on my channel if you're interested. Once the eggs are semi-cooked, it is time to add the rice. Usually for fried rice, people add day-old rice. That means like overnight rice. This is to ensure that the fried rice isn't too mushy. You can also use freshly cooked rice if it's not too wet. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or frying pan and is usually mixed with other ingredients such as eggs, vegetables, seafood or meat. It is often eaten by itself or as an accompaniment to another dish. Fried rice is a popular component in Asian cuisines. RIP, bye-bye rice. As a homemade dish, fried rice is typically made with ingredients left over from other dishes, leading to countless variations. Fried rice first developed during the Sui dynasty in China. Many varieties of fried rice have their own specific list of ingredients. In China and in restaurants, common varieties include Yangzhou fried rice and Hokkien fried rice. After frying the rice, we are adding sesame oil. Double pagoda, 100% pure sesame oil. And then we add another ingredient, shiitake mushroom vegetarian oyster flavored sauce. And we add the sauce according to filling again. I should have asked the chef to draw a smiley face. In Southeast Asia, similarly constructed Indonesian, Malaysian and Singaporean nasi goreng and Thai khao pad are popular dishes. In the West, most restaurants catering to vegetarians have invented their own varieties of fried rice, including egg fried rice. Fried rice is also seen on the menus of non-Asian countries' restaurants, offering cuisines with no native tradition of the dish. Now we add ground white pepper. Fried rice is a common street food in Asia and other parts of the world. In some Asian countries, small restaurants, street vendors, and traveling hawkers specialize in serving fried rice. Cooked rice is the primary ingredient with additional ingredients such as vegetables, eggs, meat like chicken, beef, pork, lamb, mutton, preserved meat, bacon, ham, sausage, seafood, fish, shrimp, crab, mushrooms, among others. Now we add Thai premium sauce, fish sauce. Aromatics such as onions, shallots, scallions, leeks and garlic are often added for extra flavor. We are adding a little bit more sesame oil because we got the sequence wrong. Various cooking oils such as vegetable oil, sesame oil, clarified butter or lard can be used to grease the wok or frying pan to prevent sticking as well as for flavor. Fried rice dishes can be seasoned with salt, different types of soy sauce, oyster sauce, teriyaki sauce, and many other sauces and spices. Popular garnishes include chopped scallions, sliced chili, fried shallots, sprigs of parsley or coriander leaves, toasted sesame seeds, seaweed flakes, sliced cucumber, tomato, lime, or pickled vegetables. And we continue stir frying the rice.
The more you fry, it will become liap.
Yep. And this is the outcome. It is time to build a rice castle. We have come to the end of the cooking session. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Click one of the videos for more content.